Alright, it's 8:30 in the morning. I've started this group for you guys to send me updates. So this is the last fucking time I'm putting it on this group. I want updates. From the moment that you start to the moment you go to sleep. Update me on this group. This is the last motherfucking time I'm asking you for fucking updates. Put the fucking updates on the fucking group so that I can plan my fucking day with the loads. Fucking update me fucking now.
Yeah, we are in the fucking truck stop, boss. We are in fucking poor man said Chirundu, boss. We are fucking crossing to Zimzed right now.
Good morning, fucking boss. We know that you need the fucking update. So, you must fucking tell your fucking client to pay the fucking duty in Congo. You must fucking push your fucking client. Because we are just fucking sitting here in the fucking border. How do you expect to fucking update you if you are not fucking pushing your client? We are just fucking sitting here. And remember, we need the fucking money for food. We are just fucking sitting here. And even me, I'm not fucking feeling well. The fucking malaria is on me now. So you must fucking send money for fucking food, money for fucking hospital, and the fucking stuff. Okay? Yeah. So when your fucking client pay the fucking duty, we can go and fucking off road and fucking come back.